What's going on, everybody? It's Cam Hillier from Miller's RV in Baton Rouge again. I am here to tell you 4 things that you absolutely need to have whenever you leave the RV dealership after buying, a new toy, a new RV, or a new trailer. Definitely want to have these things. Before I dive into that, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you can see everything that we're doing in the future. We can't wait to show you what we've got coming. Also, if you've got some questions that you want us to answer, let us know. It's easier for us to do these videos, and we can help you learn a lot. So, the 4 things that you need to make sure that you have when you leave the RV dealership is going to be, first, a sewage hose. You can't dump your sewage on the ground, so you absolutely have to have a sewage hose. That is vital. 2, you're going to want a fresh water hose. So in most cases, I advise my customers to get something that is scentless and tasteless, so whenever you're filling up your water, it doesn't make everything taste all rubbery and nasty. On top of that, you're going to want a water pressure regulator. So in the middle of the day at the campground, there's not going to be anybody there. If you're trying to use some of your water appliances, you could easily blow a line. In the evenings and morning, not going to be as bad, since there are also going to be a lot of other people doing the same thing. We've got some other videos that dive a little more deeper into that. But the 4th thing, in my opinion, probably the most important, you're going to want RV specific toilet paper. So we have another video that divulges more into this. You want to make sure that you have RV specific toilet paper over normal toilet paper so you don't clog the RV. You've got a lot smaller plumbing than you would in a house, so this is very, very important. Now, most dealerships will probably make you pay for this right off the bat. When you buy a new RV through us, we throw in a little Louisiana lanyard in there for you and send you with these things on the road, so you're ready to go whenever you leave us. So I appreciate you guys stopping by again. If you want us to answer any other questions, let us know. Again, we always appreciate you. Never forget, enjoy the journey.
Hey, thank you so much for watching our video. We hope that you found it both informative and entertaining. If you would, like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you can see everything new that's coming out as well. If you have any questions or comments, please list them below. Also, tell us anything else you would like us to do a video on. Again, this is Jeff at Miller's RV. Enjoy the journey and click on one of the links to watch another video by us.